What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Well, SHEIN has collaborated with Hello Kitty. They have come out with a collection and it is so cute. They have stuff for kids, women, and then they also have some plus size selections as well. So today's haul is going to be a SHEIN X Hello Kitty haul. For this particular haul, I will be showing you about, I don't even know, honestly, like 6 maybe items in the plus size section. And then the rest of it is going to be kids items. I think I got like 7 kids items maybe. I figured I would kind of do both for those of you who might have kids. I don't have my niece here with me. She is 6. So I got everything in the 7-year-old size range. I don't have her here with me to try on the items, but I will hold them up and give you guys a close-up and kind of tell you my thoughts. I don't think I've ever done a haul with kid stuff included since I don't have kids, but I thought it might be kind of fun. As always, I keep all of the good information down in the description box: my height, my weight, my measurements, what size I typically wear, and all of the good stuff down in the description box. Definitely check that out, as well as all of the links to everything I talk about today will be down there as well. I just like making it easy for you guys. I will say, when I was sent the batch of items I could pick from for this video, they didn't have a size chart attached. So all of the tops for myself I got in a 3X, I kind of just guessed, and then all of the bottoms I got in a 4X since I am bigger on the bottom. For the most part, I feel like that actually worked out for me this time, but like I say in every SHEIN haul, do not go strictly by the size. Make sure you look at the size chart for each individual item. I measured myself and I just keep my measurements in my phone at all times in case I forget. That way, if I'm ever I don't know, in the waiting room somewhere and I'm like, let me go shopping, I have my measurements and I can just place an order anytime. Anyway, that's enough blabbing. Let's get into this haul. All right, I think I'm gonna start with my stuff and then I'll move into the kid stuff at the end. So the first thing I got is this adorable black crop top. It is a long sleeve and I thought it was gonna be a sweatshirt, but it's not really sweatshirt material. It almost has that terry cloth feel on the inside, which is nice because I am someone who is always hot. It says Hello Kitty, really pretty in pink and a red writing, and it's outlined in white. Just super simple, basic, but I absolutely love it. It is made of a stretchy material, and like I said, all the tops I got in a 3X. Next, I got this really cute crop top. It is this beautiful tie-dye pattern. It does have adjustable straps and it is made of a stretchy ribbed material. Really like this one. I think it would be super cute just to wear with some black yoga pants. Call it a day. Absolutely loved, and I will for sure be wearing this one. I feel like you guys are probably gonna be able to tell, but I feel like a lot of this stuff is kind of chilling out, loungewear related. So I got 3 pairs of sweatpants, but once again, it's not that typical hot sweatpant material. On the inside, it's more of a terry cloth type of material. So I got these light pink sweats, really cute detailing. We have Hello Kitty here on the front. We have Hello Kitty all the way down the side of the pant leg. And they do have pockets, which is super nice. And then the back has, it's a fake pocket, but it has this little detailing here. I really like these a lot. And this actually, fun fact, came with a, well, it doesn't come with it, but you can order it, a matching sweater or sweatshirt, something like that. I thought I ordered that, and apparently I did not. I accidentally ordered 2 of the exact same pairs of pants. Typical Nicole move. Needless to say, the 4X was perfect for me. Really liked it a lot, like the color, like everything about it. I think it would be extra cute if I had gotten the sweatshirt to go with it, so it would be a matching set, but other than that, love, and it is made of a stretchy material. All right, another crop top. This one is black and has pink trim. I don't know what I was gonna say, outline, what? Has this really cute graphic there on the front. This one is definitely cropped, more fitted to my body. It is a 3X. It is the same size as all the tops I have gotten, yet this one is, I think it's meant to be more fitted. So keep that in mind if you guys are interested in this one, that it is not a loosey-goosey kind of a top, but really cute. Now the reason I say keep that in mind is because this one, once again, same size, but it is very oversized and flowy. It is very similar to that last one actually. It's white though, with the pink trim. This one's definitely more of a t-shirt, not cropped at all. And I believe it is the same graphic. Also, I want to say they have the cutest tags for this collection. Like, are you serious? This is made of just a basic t-shirt material, so it is a bit stretchy. I got a purple sweater. Once again, not made of that sweatshirt material. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up so you guys can see, hopefully, what I'm talking about. See how it's like that like terry cloth material? It's not itchy or anything. I actually prefer it to your typical like sweatshirt material on the inside, but it looks like a sweatshirt without being really hot, which is cute. This one has a different graphic on the front. Really adorable. And this one was pretty oversized as well. So comfortable. Love this shade of purple, and it is made of a stretchy material. The last two items from the plus size section are both pants, sweatpants. The first one is this half and half look, which I thought was so cute. One half is a black Hello Kitty print and the other half is red. And these are made to almost look like cargo pants, like cargo sweatpants. They have this pocket here. It is a real pocket. And these also have pockets at the hip, which is great. This pair does not have a drawstring. Neither did that first pair actually. It's just a thick elastic around the waist. This 4X fit absolutely perfectly. Loved these a lot. This was probably my favorite pair of sweatpants because it is just all around super cute. Actually, these are not even, I wouldn't even consider these sweatpants. They're just like pajama pants, but just black with the Hello Kitty print. This one not only has a thick elastic at the waist, but it also has drawstrings that work. It's not just there for looks. Has pockets at both hips. Actually, no, it does not. Oh, they don't have pockets. I thought they had pockets. Oh, I'm upset. Okay, well, no pockets. My bad. I swore all three pair had pockets. I am tripping. But it is a 4X. It is stretchy, and I still think it's super cute, even though pockets. All right, let's move on to the kid stuff. Let me just tell you that I can't wait to have kids. I just cannot wait to have freaking kids. In the meantime, let's spoil the niece. So, let me show you, like, where do I even begin? I mean, it's not that many things, but it's just like, let's begin up here. This is a little set. It is so cute. I got everything in a 7-year size, if I didn't say that already. It comes with a cute little pink Hello Kitty tee. I don't know why I keep saying Hello Kitty, like the whole haul is Hello Kitty, Nicole. And then it comes with little biker shorts. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, the little leopard print with the bow detailing in there, like that is so stinking cute. So this is meant to be a little set, and I am in love. I'm hoping as she wears these outfits and tries them on, I can get little pictures or video clips and put them on Instagram. So if you guys are not following me there, don't forget to do so. That is always linked down below as well. Next up is this white little sweater here. Really cute. Hello Kitty is just riding a unicorn over a rainbow. Like, can't get better than that. Stretchy material. It is once again that like terry cloth sweater material. And I do believe this is slightly cropped. I don't know if it will be cropped on her. She is pretty tall, so it might be, but needless to say, it is so cute. Next up is a 3-pack of t-shirts. These are all cropped, I believe, as well. So the first one is this, which is the same print as those little biker shorts. So if she wanted to get real crazy, she could pair this with the biker shorts and just be totally decked out in this print. So this is the first one, and then it came with a white tee with that little print and a purple tee with that print, or that graphic I should say. This next one looks really small, so I don't know if this is going to fit her. I don't know if it was meant to be like a fitted crop, but I love this color. It's like a really pretty like baby powder blue. Absolutely love it, and once again the tags are just to die for. So let me make sure, actually, yeah, this is 7-year. If you like this one, maybe go up a size or two, but it is so cute. All right, the next two things, are the last two things, and they are adorable. First and foremost, can we take a moment? Like, are we going on a tropical vacation? I kind of want to now. This is a little jumpsuit, and it is made of, I don't know what material. Let me look. Polyester and elastane. It has a little button detailing in the back just so you can get it on a little better, but it is so adorable. Like, look at this tropical print. Also, there are tiny little pockets here. I don't think my big old hand will even fit in there, but oh, how stinking cute. All right, last item is an accessory, and it is a little backpack. How adorable. I need to stop saying cute and adorable. I overuse those words in every single video and I'm over it. But stop. It is pink and white and has those like powder blue straps. They are adjustable straps. It has a zipper here, a smaller zipper here in the front, and then a larger zipper. And then look at that detailing. She is going to freak out when she sees this. The little ears. Stop. This collection is brand spanking new, so if you saw anything you liked, make sure to snag it up. Also, there was so many more options. I just got like a handful of items, but there were so many more. So don't forget to go check out the website. Once again, linked below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much to SHEIN for working with me on this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!